Hi everyone, the tips you'll hear here come directly from highly experienced technicians who work at this well-known appliance repair shop. So let's get this issue fixed. If your Kenmore washer displays the F5 code, the first thing to do is stay calm. This error usually indicates a communication problem between the control board and the motor, but it often doesn't mean the machine is broken. At our shop, we've seen several cases like this, and we also researched forums and customer comments to bring you the clearest, most practical information. When customers arrive, many say, "I turned on the washer and suddenly F5 appeared and it does nothing, not even the drum spins." Some mention that the buttons work, but the cycle doesn't start, which gives us a clue that the issue is in the signal between the board and the motor. That's why the first thing we check is the connection between the motor and the control board. Sometimes wires loosen or wear out over time, causing the machine to think there's a fault. One customer told us, "We secured the wires and suddenly everything worked again, like nothing happened." As one of our technicians explains, if communication between the board and motor fails, the washer thinks something is wrong and shows F5, even if the motor is fine. We also examine the motor and its speed sensor, because if either of these components isn't working properly or is dirty, it can trigger the error. Some customers mentioned that after cleaning the sensors and making sure the motor could spin freely, the washer started without any problems. Additionally, we pay attention to the control board, because in less common cases, a fault in the relays or electronics can generate the F5 code. At the shop, we've seen customers surprised to find that replacing or resetting the board made the washer work perfectly again. We also check the power supply and internal fuses because any fluctuation or unstable connection can affect communication between the board and motor. Some customers said that after ensuring the power was stable, the error disappeared immediately. Finally, we consider the motor to drum coupling because if the drum doesn't spin freely or the coupling is loose, the washer may detect a problem and display F5. One customer told us, "When we checked the coupling, it was a little loose. We adjusted it and everything went back to normal." This shows that sometimes the solution is much simpler than it seems.